Hello and welcome to something I don't yet know the name of. My daughter would like Magic Money Magician, or no, that's not right. The Magician of Money. I prefer this to be crypto related, so I'm probably not going to go with that, but if she ever asks you, that's what it is. Okay, so this is the first video. We had a lot of technical difficulties. This first segment we're going to call, how am I going to put it? The best 2 minutes of the blockchain backer. My favorite technical analysis. I've been a follower of his since, I want to say, about 7,000 subs. That's how we determine how long you've been following someone on YouTube. All right, first things first, we're going to watch the blockchain backers video, the best 2 minutes for the week ending July 10th, 2021.
There's really kind of just two different things that I'm looking for here, and both of them are just going to take time. One, either we're just going to see some type of big blast that comes straight upwards out of here. I'm not saying that blast would take us straight into all-time highs, but at least get us back up in here up to about $1.10 or at least over $1. Pretty much a straight line up that would only take a day or two for that to happen. That's one of the scenarios that I'm looking for, and for it to happen from somewhere around right here without setting new lows. Otherwise, if this thing just keeps drawing out and drawing out and drawing out longer and longer and longer, we're going to have to be looking for a Wyckoff accumulation pattern starting to show up down here at the bottom, which you can look at that from two lights. You can look at that like, hey, that's great. We're in long-term accumulation. That's going to set us up. I don't talk about it because I don't like to give outrageous price predictions. $10 has always been kind of my zone, right? But if this thing does spend a longer time period, like if it spends, say, 40 days down here accumulating and accumulating, well, based on structures, based on measurements, that pushes the target much higher. The longer the accumulation at the lower, the higher the prices can go. And that would make me believe that it's even potentially possible that the price would go higher than $10. So you can look at that from a positive light and say, look, the longer it accumulates down here, the better it is long term. Or, you can look at it from like, oh my gosh, we have to be down here for a long time. So I don't know. I'm just kind of waiting on what's going to happen. I think the more likely thing is that we do just see a pop straight up right there to about $1, getting back up to this price level right in here. And then consolidation does continue further. But if the price does stay suppressed down here, then the likely thing we're seeing is a bigger Wyckoff accumulation that pushes that price forecast or pushes the measurements out to more closer to the $20 to $25 price targets. Now, I'm not going to put that.
That's probably one of the best things I've ever heard him say. Out of every single, I'd say, YouTube style technical analysis trader that I've followed, he's light years ahead of everybody else. It's not even close. He's been calling for this since 2019.
Hey everybody, I am the blockchain backer.
This is the first time he's ever really, even though he's had higher targets, he's had targets at, I want to say around 25 and 50. He always lets you know $10 to $13 is his target. That's where he's getting out. Obviously he didn't tell you to click buy. He's not going to tell you to click sell, but that's what he's doing. I'll probably make this a weekly thing, basically the best 2 minutes of blockchain backer for every single week. That's until he stops doing crypto videos, which could be very soon after XRP moons. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next one.
Gotta get paper. What's wrong?
I'm in the middle of filming. Hey everybody, it's the digital asset investor, and my son just ate a whole box of ice cream. Yeah, now it makes sense why digital asset investor does all his videos at 3:45 in the morning when everybody's sleeping.